Good evening, all the ladies and gentlemen. So, I am Dr. Dina Dayalan, an executive member of PSG Alumni Association. I hope many of our alumni have joined today for this quiz program conducted by our association, Alumni Chennai chapter. So, it's my pleasure to invite you all, welcome you for this 1 hour of fun-filled quizzing. So, I hope all of you are fine in this corona period. We are having a link because of technology, which our alma mater stands for. So, when technology was a new word, the college has got technology in its name as PSG Tech, and we are all enjoying the fruits of technology in this pandemic period also. A few lines about our association. So, our association has been the forebearer of all alumni chapters, and we are doing very great. Our association Chennai chapter has more than 300 members, and we are organizing a lot of functions, meetings, webinars, and other programs, cultural and technological webinars. So it is a pleasure to welcome you all for this day, wherein we will be doing a question answer session with our quiz master. So it's my pleasure to invite you all, to welcome you all with family. I have to tell a few, things notice about this quiz program. It is a fun program. It is organized just to have a relationship and a touch with all our alumni and their family, and to refurbish or revitalize our memories with the current day practices or current day going on inside the country, outside the country, etc. So quizzes are essential, or it is a good time pass, as well as it will rekindle our memories in other areas, in areas such as current affairs, politics, geo, um, other scientific innovations, etc. So I hope all of you are fine and have hooked on to this program. I welcome you all on behalf of the Chennai chapter, and I hope you will have a wonderful time for the next 1.5 hours. அன்புள்ள நெஞ்சங்களுக்கு வணக்கம். ஸோ சென்னை சாப்டர் மூலமாக உங்களை எல்லாரும் வருக என வரவேற்கின்றோம். இது ஒரு குவிஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம். நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் இதில் கலந்துட்டு உங்களால் ஒரு ஃபன் ப்ரோக்ராம், இது ஒரு சீரியஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் இல்லாமல், பட் யூ கேன் டேக் இட் அஸ் அ சீரியஸ், அண்ட் யூ கேன் ஆல்சோ ரிஃப்ரெஷ் யுவர் memories and your technological understandings of various things. So I hand over to Karthi Segar, and he will be giving a brief about our chapter, and we will start with the quiz master. Is Karthi present?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this wonderful evening on the PSG Tech Alumni Association, Chennai chapter. So the Chennai chapter is being ably led by our President Ratna and Secretary Fabian. And we are a very active chapter. We are very proactive. We are a big family. And even during these pandemic times, we've all managed to stay in touch with each other through a lot of virtual programs. And every month we have some kind of program which involves the alumni and their family, just to make sure that everybody is keeping in touch. We also have a lot of innovative things happening where we connect with each other for career mentoring and a lot of other things. We have very active WhatsApp groups. So I invite all alumni to become a part of the Chennai chapter and benefit fully from this. In the last 1.5 years, we have been conducting a lot of virtual events, and I would like to play now a small video which we have made, which highlights all the programs that we have done till now.
Located all over the world. It's a complete pleasure that I'm part of this.
To be active in many places, volleyball and Punjab athletics community there. Sarasiyal and the general secretary.
With various states of mind, and we must reflect, become self-aware, and try to connect with what is happening in our mind.
Any social problem gets manifested in a certain way, it becomes a police issue. And I was able to do that, but somehow the passion was always to go back deep down and do some change.
என்ன குங்குமத்தில் கரைச்சவளே, நெஞ்சில் மஞ்சள் தேய்ச்ச குளிக்கையில் என்ன கொஞ்சம்
The experience on the first talk in English in a stage in PhD Tech.
People realize that
in space domain, but also in the time domain. I thank the organizers to given me the opportunity to talk about my beloved sir. So thank you everyone for listening. Thank you.
ஃப்ரீடமா இருக்கணும் இல்லைங்களா? அப்பதான் அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு சுவாரஸ்யம் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு. கட்டாயம் உண்மைதான். இளங்கன்று எப்பயும் பயமறியாது. டீன்ல வராத தைரியம் எந்த நேரத்தில் வரப்போகுது. பெருசாகி நம்ம வீட்லயே ஒரு ஆயுதம்னா பெருசு ஓர ஒதுங்க அப்படின்னு
சொன்னாடி 4 பேர் பேசினாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் தான் ரொம்ப சுவாரஸ்யமா இருந்தது. அதுல என்ன விஷயம்னா அவங்க எல்லாம் சொன்னதெல்லாம் நிகழ்ச்சி.
The way that I can't even imagine. To that I have been fortunate. And one such trail.
Mother-in-law, sister-in-law, whatever. So நிறைய roles நம்ம play பண்றோம். So இது எல்லாத்தையும்.
And now I would like to introduce to you the hero of the evening, the quiz master. Mr. Arun Visweswaran is a certified life coach, and he has over 23 years of work experience in the IT industry before he became an independent coach. And having worked for organizations like NIIT, Microland, and Dimension Data in various leadership roles, he has actively been involved in organizing cultural activities in these organizations, where he also emceed for various functions. His interests include quizzing, photography, birding, heritage, music, and traveling. He lives in North Bangalore with his wife Sandhya and 2 dogs. His children are in the US. Son Akash is working there, and his daughter Dhriti is pursuing her undergraduate education there. So without further delay, I welcome Mr. Arun. Mr. Arun, please take it. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskaram. Namaskaram to everyone. My thanks for inviting me to be part of your event, the PSG Tech Alumni event. Our Sonamari, my name is Arun. I'm a life coach based in Bangalore. I conduct quizzes. I participate in quizzes as a hobby. And I trust you will enjoy the quiz today that I've put together for you. It is a very general quiz with a easy to intermediate level of difficulty. Lots of easy questions, what we in quizzing terms call a sitter. And I expect most of you will score double centuries today. Having said that, each of the questions carries 20 points. And there are 25 questions, so you should be aiming for 500. That's the overall score, 500 or more, depending on the number of bonus questions I ask. So that's the format, 25 questions, 20 points each. There are also questions involving audio and video, and when those come up, I will indicate those to you. I always say this whenever I conduct a quiz, don't be afraid to take a guess. Go with your gut, go with your instinct. Okay, even if you don't know the right answer, take a guess, and you will find that you've actually hit the right answer. So most times quizzing is all about 20% knowledge and about 80% guesswork. So don't be afraid to take a guess. I would also encourage all family members to join in. This is a fun event. It has deliberately been put together in such a way that an entire family can enjoy this quiz. So this is very much a family quiz. So if you have your family members around you, please invite them to join in this quiz, because there are a few questions that teenagers will easily answer. There are a few questions that seniors in the family will easily answer. So please invite your family members to join in this quiz. This will roughly last about an hour. So having said that, let me jump straight into the quiz. I'm going to start sharing my screen now. And in a minute, you should be able to see my screen. Theriyarda screen?
Yes, sir.
So welcome to the 25th September 2021 Stay-at-Home General Quiz. Why we call it the Stay-at-Home General Quiz is because in these COVID times, most of us are not going out of our homes. We are staying at home and still, participating in events like this, which has been enabled by technology, like somebody said. So that is why this is called the Stay-at-Home General Quiz. This is specifically being conducted for PSG Tech alumni. I will put up the rules in a minute. All of you will need a sheet of paper and a pen or pencil. So if you don't have a sheet of paper next to you, I'll give you a couple of to find a blank sheet of paper or A4 size paper. Pen or either a pen or a pencil will do, because you will have to write down answers initially. So please find yourself a sheet of A4 sized paper and a pen or a pencil. There are 25 questions in all, covering a wide range of topics, as wide a range as I could make it within 25 questions. Families can work together as teams. So if you have your family members around you, please invite them to join in, and you can all work together as one team. No Googling. Most of the answers you won't get by Googling also. The quiz is structured that way. So don't attempt Googling. Please go with your instinct or your gut. Even if you don't know the right answer, take a guess. And like I said earlier, you'll need a sheet of paper and a pen or a pencil. So the initial part of the quiz, what I will do is I will show you all the 25 questions. You will write down the answers. At this point in time, everybody can go on mute. All of you can go on mute. So the initial part of the quiz, you will all write down the answers so that everyone has a chance to answer each of the 25 questions. That's the objective. So everybody gets a chance to answer each of the 25 questions. So you can go on mute, take a sheet of paper and keep a pen or a pencil ready. And I will go through the 25 questions one by one. After all the 25 questions are done, then you can unmute yourself and I'll play the 25 questions again, and then we can discuss the answers. Like many people have said, this is a fun event. Please have as much fun as you can. First, I suddenly realized today is 25th September, and 25th September can't go by without remembering this man.
Saregama Karva Mini Tamil.
பாடி மாளிகையில் தாய் மடியில் கன்றினை போல் மாய கண்ணன் தூங்குகின்றான் தாலேலு. ஆயர்பாடி மாளிகையில் தாய் மடியில் கன்றினை போல் மாய கண்ணன் தூங்குகின்றான் தாலேலு. அவன் வாய் நிறைய மண்ணை உண்டு மண்டலத்தை காட்டிய பின் ஓய்வெடுத்து தூங்குகின்றான் ஆராரோ. ஓய்வெடுத்து தூங்குகின்றான் ஆராரோ. ஆயர்பாடி
Saregama Karva.
Okay, so here's the first question. So remembering S.P. Balasubramaniam, on the day that he died, it's been a year now since he passed away and we lost him. This is my method of honoring the great man. Now on to the first question. You should be able to see your first question on the screen in a couple of minutes. Since this is the opening question, this is about openers. It is highly fitting that we should ask a question about cricket openers. Look at the pictures, the one on the left and the one on the right, and tell me what connects these two opening batsmen. They share something in common. What is that unique record that they share? There are enough clues in the pictures. The man on the left, of course, you'll recognize. The man on the right, please look for all clues in the picture and you should be able to guess who the player is. Both are openers. Since this is the opening question, tell me what unique record connects these two opening batsmen for 20 points. Write it down. Write down the answer. What unique record connects these two opening batsmen for 20 points? Okay, moving on to question number 2. Okay, this is a line from a famous movie. We've all got both light and dark inside us. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are. Which famous Hollywood movie does this line come in? And who says these lines? We've all got both light and dark inside us. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are. Okay, I'll give you a further clue. This movie was part of a set of 8 movies. This movie was part of a set of 8 movies. That's a very significant clue by which you should be able to guess this. Which famous movie? Okay, moving on to question number 3. You will see that this is a PSG Tech alumni function and there is a speaker who's talking, all I want you to do is to recognize the famous person. Further clue, he's called the Moon Man of India. Recognize the famous PSG Tech alumni who's called the Moon Man of India. All I need is his name. Write it down. And after all the questions are over, we will discuss the answers. So recognize the famous PSG Tech alumni. Question number 4. Okay, so you see there is a video on the left which I'll play in a minute. And then there is an Amul hoarding on the right. So Amul has this habit of creating hoardings which are based on current affairs. And they created this hoarding when this man passed away. The man you see on the screen, when he died in May 2021, they created a hoarding saying, "You created a manthan of melodies." Very important clue there. You created a manthan of melodies. Now let me play the video.
ना सदा सिन्नो सदा सित्तदानीं ना सिद्रजो नो व्योमा परो यत् किमावरी वह कुह कस्य शर्मन्नम्बा किमासीत् गहनं गभीरं सृष्टि से पहले सत नहीं था असत भी नहीं अंतरिक्ष भी नहीं आकाश भी नहीं था छिपा था क्या कहाँ किसने ढका था उस पल तो अगम अतल जल भी कहाँ था।
Okay, so as you can see, that was Bharat Ek Khoj, a serial which used to come on Doordarshan years ago. And how this man was associated with that serial is he created the music for that serial. So all you have to do is come up with the name of the music director for Bharat Ek Khoj, a man who passed away in May 2021, very recently. There is a further clue in the hoarding. It says, "You created a manthan of melodies." Who is this person that Amul is honoring? Moving on to question number 5. Okay, what you see is a very iconic picture. There are 3 famous people in the picture. For the time being, ignore the man in the middle. I may ask you a bonus question about the man in the middle later. But look at the 2 people who are in the front. So the person on the right and the person on the left who is bowing down to him. You first have to identify these 2 people and tell me what makes this picture an iconic one. This is a very unique picture in a certain manner. What is it that makes this picture an iconic one? Ignore the man in the middle. For the time being, ignore the man in the middle. Okay, I'll give you a further clue. It's not about both being born in Pakistan. That's not the answer. Okay, the answer is not that both the people in the forefront were born in Pakistan. That's not the answer that I'm looking for. Something else which makes this picture an iconic one. What makes this picture an iconic one? There is a story behind that, which I'll tell you when we talk about the answers. Okay, question number 6. Okay, I'm going to play you an ad. And this brand, this company used the tagline, "Handcrafted in Chennai." So you'll see the first part of the advertisement as a video. You have to identify the brand. Look out for the product in the video. The product is visible in the video. You have to look out for the product, watch for the product. Watch this video very carefully. I'm playing the video now. Okay, that was the first part of the advertisement. The second part of the advertisement shows more details, which I'll play when I play the answers. But all I need from you is which brand or which is the company that used the tagline handcrafted in Chennai. Moving on to the next question. On the left, you see a book called The Kargil Girl, which is an autobiography. On the right, you see a movie poster about the same girl. All I want is the name of the girl. Who is the Kargil Girl? This was made into a movie starring Janhvi Kapoor as the heroine, playing this woman. And the name of the movie is the same as the name of the character. So the name of the movie is the same as the name of the character. It's the true story of Dash, the Kargil Girl. What is Dash? Fill up the blanks. So book on the left, movie poster on the right. Whom did Janhvi Kapoor play in a recent movie? Easy one. This is what I would call a sitter. Question number 8 coming up. Again, an easy one. Who am I? So I am the child of Nobel Prize winners. Child of Nobel Prize winners, which is both my father and mother were both Nobel Prize winners. And then I became a joint winner with my husband. Okay, so father, mother, daughter, and daughter's husband, all were Nobel Prize winners. Children are scientists too. Daughter is a nuclear physicist, son is a biochemist. Who is this famous person? We are talking about a lady whose father and mother were both Nobel Prize winners. Her husband was a joint winner with her for the Nobel Prize. And then her children are scientists too. Daughter is a nuclear physicist, son is a biochemist. Who is this person? Incidentally, if you want an additional clue, the person won a Nobel Prize for her work in chemistry. Work in chemistry. Okay, question number 9. Easy one. One more easy one. What does this graph represent? Take a very close look at the graph and tell me, what does this graph represent? I'm looking for one word. Just one word, which will get you 20 points. What does this graph represent? Question number 10 coming up. What is the significance of these two comics? Take a very close look at both the comic covers and tell me, what is the significance of these two comics? There are two comics, one which says Action Comics, the other one which says Detective Comics. Please take a look at the pictures very carefully and tell me what is, you should be able to guess this one. What is the significance of these two comics? Don't overthink this. It's very simple. Put on whatever your guess is. Okay, question number 11. In Hindu mythology, this is a Hindu mythology question. In Hindu mythology, this king was the son of Rishi Vishrava and Kaikesi and the grandson of the sage Pulastya. Who is the king? What you see on the right is a picture from a temple in Indonesia. This is Hindu mythology, but this is a temple in Indonesia depicting the death of the king and he being mourned. Who is this king? There are enough clues on the left-hand side. Son of Rishi Vishrava and Kaikesi and the grandson of the sage Pulastya. Who is the king? Hindu mythology question. Question number 12 coming up. Okay, this is a brands and marketing question. So in 1924, Adolf Dassler and his brother Rudolf started a shoe company, started a shoe factory called the Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory to manufacture shoes for athletic events. And they managed to convince Jesse Owens to wear their shoes in the 1936 Berlin Olympics, and Jesse Owens won gold medal. In 1949, the brothers split their company into two rival companies, both of which are well known today. Name both brands. Name both shoe brands. So Adolf Dassler and Rudolf Dassler split into two companies in 1949, both of which are well-known brands today. Name both shoe brands. Again, you should be able to guess this one. Okay, we are almost halfway through the quiz. Question number 13 coming up. This is again about an actor who died recently. So this is an Amul hoarding about this actor. It says, he always left us in splits. Today he leaves us in tears. Take a look at the hoarding and guess who the actor is. Easy one. Born in 1961, died in 2021. He was just 60 years old. Who is the actor? Question number 14 coming up. Okay, I'm going to play you a little audio and you have to guess who the two singers are. You will hear two voices. You have to guess who the two singers are or identify who the two singers are.
Who makes my heart beat like thunder? Who makes my temperature rise? Who makes me tremble with wonderful rapture, with one burning glance from her eye?
कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया, लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया. कौन है जो सपनों में आया, कौन है जो दिल में समाया, लो झुक गया आसमां भी, इश्क मेरा रंग लाया.
Margarita. Once I was free as a gypsy, a creature too wild to tame. Then suddenly I saw Margarita, and I was caught like a moth in the flame. Margarita is her name.
Okay. All you have to do is identify those two voices. Question number 15. This is from a product advertisement. Now take a close look at the picture and tell me what feature of the product are they talking about. So you see that porcupine sitting in between the bags of goldfish. What feature of the product are they advertising? And which is the brand? So two parts to this question. What feature do you think they're talking about by showing that porcupine safely sitting between those three bags of goldfish? And which is the brand that has created this advertisement? For 20 points. Two parts to the question. Question number 16 coming up. Where is India's only active volcano? And a further clue, true to its name, it has large areas of unfertile landscape. Large areas of unfertile landscape should give you a clue about the name of this place. Where would you find India's only active volcano? For 20 points. Question number 17. Okay, look at the two pictures. two very famous women. What connects these two ladies? Tell me, what is the connection or what is common to these two ladies? Look at the two pictures carefully. You should be able to recognize the famous women. What is common to these two ladies? Question number 18. In the film I Am Legend, which came out in 2007, Will Smith played a character called Robert Neville. What was the career of Robert Neville in the movie? Was he a cop? Was he a virologist? Was he a soldier or was he a doctor? Somebody needs to go on mute. Echoing. Yeah. So in the film I Am Legend in 2007, Will Smith played a character called Robert Neville. What was Robert Neville in the movie? Was he a cop, soldier, doctor, or virologist? Should be able to guess this one. Question number 19 coming up. Okay, so this question is related closely to Indian history. That's a very important clue. This question is closely related to Indian history. Which company's flagship store in London is shown in the picture? So this is a store. There is only one branch. It is in London. And this store sells all kinds of luxury items, including tea. All kinds of luxury items, gifts, perfumes, etc., including tea. But the important clue is this. This company is closely linked with India's history. That's the important clue. Take a guess. Take a shot at the answer. Okay. Question number 20. The next three questions will take us a little back in time. I'm going to play you a little video clip, which is taken from a movie. What you need to do is to identify the singer and the violinist performing in this movie. So I'm playing a video clip. You have to look at the video clip and identify both the singer and the violinist performing in this movie. Okay, I just played that a little longer so that you could recognize the mridangist also, which may be a bonus question. But basically, the question is about this movie, which came out in 1943. I found a very rare clip of these Carnatic musicians performing in the movie. All you have to do is recognize the vocalist and the violinist. Moving on to question number 21. Okay, take a very close look at this picture and tell me, what is this landmark building significant for? What is this landmark building significant for? You should get enough clues in the picture if you look carefully. What is this landmark building significant for? Okay, the next question is also a little in history, set back in the past. So that's 3 questions set back in the past. Question number 22. All of you should be able to recognize this building. What historic event took place here in September 1926? If you don't recognize the building, this is the Sarvajana School. What historic event took place here in September 1926? Sarvajana School in Coimbatore. What historic event took place in September 1926? Okay, last 3 questions coming up. Question number 23. If you've been watching the news recently, if you've been looking at YouTube videos, for sure you will be able to answer this question. What is the newest ABBA album called? ABBA has come back and they released 2 new songs, I Still Have Faith in You and Don't Shut Me Down. And these 2 singles are part of a new album. All I need is the name of the album. What is the name of the newest ABBA album? Question number 24. Okay, I'm going to play you a little video that I shot in my village. Watch the video carefully. There is a very important clue in the question itself. What is this traditional art form that uses 5 instruments called? Okay, very simple. What is that traditional art form called? It uses 5 instruments. All you have to do is give the 1-word answer for 20 points. Last question coming up. Take a very close look at this picture. First, you have to identify what is the relationship between each of the objects shown. And then you have to tell me what is the name attached to the picture in the circled one. So you see cupcake, donut, eclairs, froyo, gingerbread, honeycomb, etc. What connects all these pictures, all these objects? And tell me what is the missing name. The missing name is circled. It has been blanked out and circled. Tell me what is that missing name. You should be able to guess this one too. Look at the picture very carefully. You should be able to guess this one. That's the last question. So that's the 25th question. I have some bonus questions which I shall keep for later. What I'm going to do now is to stop sharing my screen for a minute and look at all your faces. And you can tell me if you want me to repeat any of the questions. Otherwise, we'll go straight into the answers. So this is the time to unmute yourself. You can now unmute yourself. How was it?
Yeah, it's good.
Easier irundha?
Very interesting.
Interesting. Seri. Answers பார்க்கலாமா?
பார்க்கலாம்.
லாஸ்ட்ல இருந்து போலாமா இல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்தா சார்?
இல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து அதே ஆர்டர்ல போவோம்.
எனக்கு லாஸ்ட் ஆன்சர் மட்டும் தான் தெரியும்.
எனக்கு 2-3 தெரியும் எனக்கு.
சரி போவோம். நான் இன்னும் I'll give you further clues. Don't worry. If you are not able to guess the answer, I'll give you further clues. நான் இப்போ ஆன்சர் ஷேர் பண்றேன், ஒரு நிமிஷம். Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. Answer screen தெரியுதா?
தெரியுது.
Yes, yes.
Okay, இப்போ you can unmute yourself, and as I go through each of the slides, you can tell me the answer. How you will score yourself, it will come up in the next slide. So you can unmute yourself. We follow the honor system, so we completely trust all of you to score yourself. So all you need to do is tally your answers and give yourself 20 points for every correct answer. ஒரு correct answer க்கு 20 points. எங்கெல்லாம் multiple part questions இருந்ததோ 10 points for every correct answer. ரெண்டு question இருந்ததுன்னா 10 point. ஒரு ஆன்சருக்கு 10 point, இன்னொரு ஆன்சருக்கு 10 point. Okay, so here we go. First question coming up. In the two opening batsmen, what is the common record between these two opening batsmen?
More than 10,000.
Illa.
I used to run scored in a test.
Illa. More than 10,000 runs scored.
No.
Father son.
Go in the opposite direction. Don't say most runs scored. Go in the opposite direction.
Most balls played with least runs scored.
Very good guess, but no.
Both
very good guess,
scored most ducks in the test match.
Very close. Very, very, very close. Who said that?
Harshad.
Very close. Very close. So, who are the two batsmen?
Sunil Gavaskar and the right side, I don't know.
Right side is a man from Bangladesh. As you can see, he's wearing Grameen phone on his shirt. So from there, you must have guessed it's a Bangladesh player. So his name is Hanan Sarkar. Both are test openers, and the common record is very close to what he said. Getting out to the first ball of a test match 3 times. Getting out to the first ball of a test match thrice. These are the only two batsmen in the world with that record. Sunil Manohar Gavaskar and Hanan Sarkar. Okay, so if you got that right, you can give yourself 20 points. If you said most number of ducks, give yourself 10 points. Most number of ducks, 10 points. Okay, there's a lot of noise coming from somewhere. Somebody has to mute themselves. Background noise kunja kekkirudhu. Okay. Question number 2. So as you can see from this list, Sunil Manohar Gavaskar appears 3 times. And what is interesting is Hanan Sarkar got out to the same bowler thrice of the first ball of the test match. P.T. Collins is the bowler. It was against West Indies when Bangladesh was playing. 2 different series, one in Bangladesh, one in West Indies. But he got out to the same bowler thrice of the very first ball. Whereas Sunil Gavaskar got out to 3 different bowlers. Second question coming up. We've all got both light and dark inside us. What matters is the part we choose to act upon. That's who we really are. Which famous movie?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. In the Harry Potter movie. Which Harry Potter movie? And who says these lines?
Snape. Severus Snape.
Severus Snape illa. No, not Snape. Harry's godfather says these lines to him. Now take a guess. Sirius Black. Sirius. In which movie?
Prisoner of Azkaban.
Allah. One more guess. One more guess.
The 5th movie.
Correct. Which is the 5th movie?
Ayo.
It is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix.
Order of the Phoenix.
Order of the Phoenix. Please give yourself 10 points for saying Sirius Black. Sirius Black says it to Harry Potter. When Harry Potter goes to stay with him in his house, that's when he says this. We've all got both light and dark inside us. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are. So Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, Sirius Black says to Harry Potter. Okay. Question number 3.
Annadurai.
Mileswamy Annadurai. Well done. 20 points. Dr. Mileswamy Annadurai, Moon Man of India. 20 points.
PhD Tech alumnus. He is a PhD Tech alumnus. And the man sitting is Sriram.
Okay. Well done.
Dr. Sir Rajatram sir has written a book on him also.
Okay. So this is Dr. Mileswamy Annadurai, very famous man, was director of ISRO when both the moon and the Mars mission were launched. That's why he's called the Moon Man of India. Okay, question number 4. Yare. Manthan. Manthan is a Shyam Benegal movie. Bharat Ke Khoj was also a Shyam Benegal movie. Who was the music director? Who died recently? Allah. No. He was in the news recently because he died. He's also the music director for many ads. The ad, the Garden Vareli ad. He was the music director. Who's this man? No guesses? Not Bapilari, not the Burmans either.
Okay.
This is Mr. Vanraj Bhatia. Mr. Vanraj Bhatia was the music director for many Shyam Benegal movies, also for this TV serial called Bharat Ke Khoj and many ads. Vanraj Bhatia. He died in May 2021. Okay, next question. Okay, tell me about this picture.
Frontier Gandhi.
Frontier Gandhi and
Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan.
Ashok Kumar. And actor Ashok Kumar. Actor Ashok Kumar.
Dilip Singh.
Dilip Kumar. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan and Dilip Kumar. But what makes this a very iconic picture? What makes this iconic?
In the background?
Karunanidhi
in the background.
Okay, I said that I will ask as a bonus question later. Okay, but you answered Karunanidhi. Okay, so this picture was shot in Chennai. Okay, Chennai airport. When Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan came to visit. So this was shot in Chennai. Dilip Kumar was living in Chennai at that time. But you haven't answered the critical question. What makes this picture an iconic one? There's something very unique about this picture. It's about the honors that these two men received. I'm giving you further clue.
Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna.
Dilip Kumar Bharat Ratna.
I don't think so. Dilip Kumar got
Okay.
Dilip Kumar Bharat Ratna ille, but you're close to the answer.
It is Bharat Bhushan.
Allah. No. Not Padma Bhushan, not any of the Padma Awards. Bharat Ratna is one part of the answer. What is the other part of the answer?
Not in the same year?
No. Dilip Kumar didn't get the Bharat Ratna.
Okay.
Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan did get the Bharat Ratna. So that's one part of the answer. What is the other part of the answer? So whoever said Bharat Ratna...
Mr. Bharat Award? Did Dilip Kumar get Mr.
No, that's not the answer. No. Whoever said Bharat Ratna, take 10 points. If you can give me the other part of the answer, you can take another 10 points.
Dada Saheb Award.
No.
But what is common to those two? One part of the answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan got the Bharat Ratna. What is the other part of the answer?
Nominated? Both were nominated?
No, the answer is this. Since we are running out of time, I'll give you the answer. The answer is this. Lots of disturbance in the background.
Somebody is.
Lots of disturbance. Somebody has to go on mute. Yeah. Okay. The answer is this. These are two men honored by two foreign countries with their highest civilian award. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, a Pakistani, was honored with the Bharat Ratna. Dilip Kumar, an Indian, was honored with Pakistan's highest civilian award.
Oh.
Yes. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is the only Pakistani honored with the Bharat Ratna. Dilip Kumar is the only Indian honored with Pakistan's highest civilian award, which is the Nishani-Imtiaz. That's what makes this picture unique. And the bonus question was, who's the man in the middle, which you have all answered. Anybody who said Karunanidhi, take another 5 points. Okay, question number 6. Which brand?
Royal Enfield.
Absolutely correct. Well done. 20 points. Royal Enfield. This is the rest of the ad. I'm going to play the rest of the ad. This is the rest of the ad. That's why it says handcrafted in Chennai. Okay. Next question. Number 7.
Gunjan Saxena.
Gunjan Saxena. Gunjan Saxena. Gunjan Saxena is correct. So if you said Gunjan Saxena, please take 20 points. Correct. If you just got Saxena, take 10 points. If you said Gunjan Saxena, yeah, 20 points. Okay, next one.
Difficult one.
Who's this lady?
Mary Curie?
Curie's daughter.
Curie's daughter, correct. What was her name? Irene Curie.
Okay.
Curie's daughter. If you said Curie's daughter, take 20 points. No problem. Curie's daughter, Irene Curie. Irene Joliot Curie.
Oh.
She, along with her husband, Frederick, won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry. This was in 1935 for artificial radioactivity. Okay, so Irene Joliot Curie. Okay, question number 9, easy.
Equity market.
BSE stock market.
Equity market growth.
Sensex is the word I was looking for. But if you have said equity market, please take 20 points. Sensex was the word I was looking for. Sensex is correct. Yesterday it hit 60,000. Yeah, and you can see it's a rapid growth in the last 20 years. Okay, so this is the Sensex. And as you can see from the date, yesterday it hit 60,000. Okay, question number 10.
They're both part of DC Comics.
Correct, but what is the significance of these two comics?
Both are made into movies. Batman.
No, look at the date. Look at the date on the cover.
39.
June 1938, May 1939.
Correct. What is the significance of these two comics?
1 year difference and 1 month.
No, that is okay. But given the fact that this was in 1938 and 1939, you should be able to guess the answer.
World War.
Give us a clue, no?
1938, 1939. Batman and Superman.
World War, huh?
No, not World War.
Both was found in the in this year. Superman was found in.
No, look at the Batman comic. Look at the Batman comic a little carefully. What does it say? You should be able to guess this one.
The Americans.
No, you should be able to guess this one. 1938, 1939.
Hey.
What is the significance?
Like 1 rupee and 27 rupees?
No, it is number 1 and number 27. It's
Of
not
that
rupee.
comic, correct. It's number 1 and number 27. And DC Comics in those days were called Action Comics and Detective Comics. Before
It's
they
actually
became...
10 cents.
Yeah.
It's gold. It's the
No. It's very simple. You are all over guessing the answer.
black
Very
market
simple.
crash. The market crash.
Hey, they were the first comics in which Superman and Batman were introduced.
Absolutely. Batman and Superman made their debut with these two comics. Well done. 20 points. This was the debut appearance of Superman, introduced in 1938, and Batman, introduced in 1939. Debut appearance, first appearance.
Beautiful.
First comic. Okay, question number 11. Who's this king?
Bharathan.
No.
Dasarathan, no?
No. Son of a sage and a Rakshasi.
Ravana.
Rishi Vishrava.
Dasavaradham.
Ravana is correct. 20 points for Ravana. Well done. Ravana is correct. Ravana is correct. Actually, you can make out the 10 heads in that sculpture.
And his death is being mourned as a form of Deepavali. Some places they consider that North India.
This is in a temple in Indonesia, actually. So this is carved in a temple in Indonesia. Okay, Ravana is the correct answer. 20 points for that one. Question number 12. What are the two shoe brands?
Nike and Adidas.
Adidas.
Nike and Adidas.
Puma. No, Adidas and Puma.
Adidas and Puma, correct. Adidas was named Adidas because of Adolf Dassler. He was called Adi Dassler. So Adidas became Adidas. So Adidas, and then Puma, his brother's shoe company was called Ruda. But then later he changed the name to Puma. So Adidas and Puma, 20 points. If you got only Adidas, 10 points. If you got only Puma, 10 points. Okay, next question. Easy.
Vivek, actor Vivek.
Vivek.
Actor, comedian Vivek. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Vivekanandan or Vivek is the answer. Okay, question number 14. Identify the two singers. One sang in English.
One of them is Rafi, Mohammed Rafi.
Mohammed Rafi is correct. And the other is? No, Mohammed Rafi is correct. The one who sang in English?
Sai Baba?
No. English. Famous American singer from Rafi times. Who?
John Lennon?
No. American, I say, not British. American singer. Another guess. One more guess.
The king of pop.
Elvis
Presley.
Wow.
Absolutely
King
correct.
of pop.
Elvis Presley. Elvis Presley and Mohammed Rafi singing the same tune. Elvis Presley singing Margarita. Mohammed Rafi singing Kaun Ho Jo Sapneo Mein Aaya. Okay. Elvis Presley and Mohammed Rafi. If you got only one of those answers, give yourself 10 points. Okay. Question number 15. What product feature in which brand?
Strength of the plastic.
Not strength of the plastic. No.
Insurance.
Not insurance. Good guess, but not insurance. Very good guess, but not insurance.
We need a clue.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. It's an automotive brand. Automobile brand.
Skoda. Skoda.
But what feature are they talking about? Let's look at the feature first.
It's stability.
Safety.
It's about stability.
Safety,
The
stability,
strength of
no.
the tire.
Airbags.
Not
Smooth
airbags.
ride.
Not smooth ride.
Pads.
No. Look at how that hedgehog, the porcupine is sitting. Tell me.
Space. Very spacious.
No. One more.
Seat belts, safety.
No. Not safety, not security, no.
Vibration.
Not vibration. Look at those two lines and look at how that porcupine is sitting and tell me the answer.
Speed.
Not speed.
Suspension.
Not suspension.
Lane assisting feature.
It is very close to what you said. It is parking assist. And which is the brand? Parking, being facilitated to park between two cars. So see how that porcupine is sitting. Which brand?
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. That's right. This is the Volkswagen, and the feature is the parking assist. So if you got Volkswagen 10 points, parking assist another 10 points. Question number 16. Where is India's only active volcano?
Andamans.
The Andamans. And the island is called the specific island is called Barren Island. That's why large areas of unfertile landscape.
It looks very fertile.
It's not actually. It's supposed to be
forest.
barren. Yeah. So Barren Island, Andamans. Okay, and every now and then there is clouds of smoke coming out. So even to this day, it's an active volcano. Okay, question number 17. Who are these two famous people and what is common to both of them?
Is it a mother and daughter?
Not mother and daughter.
Chemistry is a common thing.
No, they are not even of the same country. They are from two different countries.
Biotech qualification.
No. Chemistry is correct. But what else is common to these two ladies? Take a very close look at their picture because this was taken when they were young.
Nuclear research.
No. This picture was taken when they were young. I promise you, all of you know these two ladies.
They were wearing men's watch.
No.
They are the same?
No.
Biotech.
No. Chemistry we have agreed upon. Chemistry is common. But what else? They are two very famous ladies.
Madam Curie.
No.
The only two women Nobel Prize winners in chemistry?
No. That would be okay. Irene Jolie and Irene Curie and no.
Curie.
No, take a close look at the pictures. Okay, I'll give you a further clue. The lady on the left is from Germany. The lady on the right is from England.
They made simultaneous discovery of something?
No.
The lady
on the left is from Germany. The lady on the right is from England. They were both.
England found something, and the lady from the right extended it.
No, they were both heads of state. Angela Merkel and Margaret
Thatcher.
Absolutely. Angela Merkel and Margaret Thatcher were both research scientists in chemistry before they became heads of state.
Thatcher's nose looks very different.
This was taken when she was very young. Very young. Yeah. Angela Merkel and Margaret Thatcher both were research scientists in chemistry before they became heads of state. Okay. Last 8 questions. Let's quickly go through. I understand.
Do we get any points after all those clues?
No, you don't. No, you don't. Okay. I am legend.
Virologist.
Virologist is correct. Virologist. 20 points. Yeah. Given the current context, I introduced a virology question. So this is virologist. Okay. Which company's flagship store? I said East India Company is correct. 20 points. This is the East India Company after it was taken over by an Indian in 2010. This is the East India Company. Very closely connected with India's history was a vital clue. This is the East India Company, bought over by an Indian, now run by an Indian.
I guessed it, but didn't write it.
Please take 20 points. If you have guessed it, please take 20 points.
Thank you.
Yeah. Question number 20. Okay. Who were the singer and the violinist?
Lalgudi Jayaraman?
No. Older than
Palakkad Mani.
Palakkad Mani Iyer is the mridangist. Correct. Is the mridangist. That was my bonus question. Palakkad Mani Iyer is the mridangam player. But who is the man in the middle?
Vaidyanath Bhagavathar.
Tembai Vaidyanath Bhagavathar is correct. Who's the violinist?
Lalgudi Jayaraman.
No.
Chowdaya
is correct. Tembai Vaidyanath Bhagavathar and Pitil Chowdaya or T. Chowdaya, after whom the Chowdaya Hall is named in Bangalore. So Chowdaya actually made this movie and asked Tembai Vaidyanath Bhagavathar to act in it. But in those days, acting in movies was considered a crime, was considered a sin. So Tembai Vaidyanath Bhagavathar initially said no. And then he said, I will sing in your movie if you want. So if your movie has a concert scenario, I will come and sing in your movie. And so this was shot in Chembai's village and whatever money Chembe earned from this movie, he donated to the village temple.
And somebody
movie is
posted
this?
this on chat.
Okay.
This chat, somebody posted
This
it.
movie is
Chembai
called
Vaidyanatha
Vani.
Bhagavat.
Vani, it came out in 1943.
I have posted Janakarajan.
Oh, good. Thank you.
So this is Chembai Vaidyanatha Bhagavathar and Chowdaya and Palagat Paniyar in a movie called Vani in 1943. Chowdaya's...
You can unmute yourself and talk. Eliban?
Okay, question number 21.
Variety Hall in Coimbatore.
What is the significance of Variety Hall?
First cine theatre.
First cine theatre in South India. Please give yourself 20 points. The first permanent theatre in South India, later called Delight Theatre, Variety Hall in Coimbatore. 20 points.
Only Variety Hall I told.
Variety Hall, what is the significance of Variety Hall? It was the
that's
first permanent theatre. Yeah. Until then, you had only moving talkies, which was tent structures. Question number 21 related to that. This is the man who built Variety Hall. His name is
Tommy Kannu Vincent.
Tommy Kannu Vincent, correct. And they released a postal cover in his honor. Okay, this school you know. What happened here in September 1920?
Singing of Janagana Mana.
Tagore visited this place.
Tagore himself came and sang Janagana Mana before it became the national anthem. Correct. 20 points. Okay, question number 23. What is the album called?
Don't Shut Me Down.
No, Don't Shut Me Down is the name of one of the songs. What is the album called? Single word.
Back.
Good guess. No, it's not back. Good guess, but.
Any clue?
Okay, the meaning of the word is journey. Long journey. That's the meaning of the word.
Travel.
Close. No. Think of sea. Sea. Long
Voyage.
journey. Voyage is correct. Correct. So if you got it, give yourself 10 points.
We
Question
got
number
it only after your clue.
You can still take 10 points. You can still take 10 points. I am a very generous quiz master.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Panchavadyam.
Panchavadyam is correct.
Panchavadyam.
Musical instruments, Panchavadyam. Very popular in Kerala. Panchavadyam. So 20 points. And
Not
the last
Chendai?
question.
Next
It's
one
not-
is Android.
It's not Chendai. Chendai is just one of the instruments.
Okay.
This is called Panchavadyam. Chendai is one of the instruments. Okay, last one.
Android and KitKat.
Android.
Starts with
Android
K.
and KitKat. Both are correct. So all I needed was KitKat. So if you've said KitKat, 20 points. So these are all Android model, the version names. Version names, nicknames for versions. So you can see that they go in alphabetical order: C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So K was missing. K is KitKat.
I mean, I was about to say starts with K.
That would have been a giveaway clue. But anyway, that was
Question
it.
had two parts. You wanted both Android as well as KitKat, right?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Android and KitKat. Yeah.
Android is OS.
Actually, I wanted only KitKat. So if you got KitKat, give yourself 20 points. No problem.
30.
Okay. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen and you can tell me how many points you've got.
180. 180.
Okay, hang on. We'll go in a certain fashion.
Okay.
After everybody is totaled, I will ask 3 questions. We'll go in that order. So you could have scored a maximum of 500 points. So let's see. How many people have scored more than 400? Anybody who scored more than 400? Anybody who scored more than 300? More than 250? More than
I
200?
think I'm getting more than 250. Wait a moment, I'm calculating.
Calculate.
215, 225, 225, 245, 255, 275, 295.
Can we spotlight her, please? Can we spotlight her, please? Can we spotlight her? Congratulations.
Oh, no, I'm not actually coming on video, please.
No problem, madam. No problem.
Well
Your
done.
voice is-
Well done.
Well done.
295 you said?
Well
Well
done.
done.
You are in top one, madam.
Three-star performer
Who is
of
that? Is that
chapter.
Jayanti? Is that Jayanti?
No, it's Vijay. Vijay.
Vijay.
Lovely, lovely. Well done. Okay, anybody who scored more than 200? Anybody else who scored more than 200? More than 180?
Just 180.
Well done, Mr. Joshi. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay. Anybody who scored more than 150?
Yes, sir.
Dina.
I scored 150.
Well done, Dina. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
And who else?
155 I scored.
155. Well done. Beautiful. Excellent. So you're both centurions today. Okay. All those who scored more than 100. Ratna, well done. All those who scored more than 100.
Yeah, I got 130.
Lovely. 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 Okay.
The help of my daughter and husband, of course.
Yeah,
It's
it
not
was
a
a team
problem.
event. It's a team
We
event.
all-
It's a family fun event.
With my, also with my help of my dad.
Well done, Ratna. Well done. Okay, so I will just take 2 more minutes of your time, and I have 3 or 4 bonus questions. So I'll just share those bonus questions also with you. Here we go. Just give me a second while I go to the right question. And you can directly answer these. Okay, here's the first question coming up. Okay, who is the PSG alumni who won an Oscar?
Pattalanga Leon.
Pattalanga Leon, correct. Absolutely.
He is our batchmate.
Okay. Somebody who you can be proud of, won an Oscar in the technical category. Okay, second question.
GRD.
GRD.
Dr. GRD. GR Damodaran is correct. Okay, question number 3. Who's this lady? PSG alumni. Does anybody remember her name? Who is currently a professor at RMIT University.
Aarti, am I right?
Not Aarti. Dr. Madhu Bhaskaran. Dr. Madhu Bhaskaran is her name. Is currently teaching at RMIT University in Australia. And the last one, what does PSG stand for?
Elamadu Samanaidu Gunsamanaidu.
Absolutely. Absolutely correct. Pilavedu or Perividu Samanaidu Govinda Swami Naidu. And with that, we come to the end of the quiz. I hope you have all enjoyed this quiz.
Yeah, really enjoyed. Really
Thanks a lot.
enjoyed.
Thank you.
Okay, hands up to the quiz master.
Thank you.
It was totally engaged.
Master will get the maximum points, I think.
Thank you.
And,
Mr.
excellent,
Arun, I live in Bangalore,
Oh, I see. Okay. Which part of Bangalore?
South Bangalore, near Kudlu Gate.
Okay. Okay. I live in North Bangalore, Yelahanka. Okay. So thank you very much. I hope you all had a great time.
No, real fun.
Yeah.
Have a nice weekend.
Yeah.
And bye. Congratulations
Thank you.
to all the
Thanks.
high scorers and
Thank you,
all
sir.
of you who participated. Thank you for very active participation. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Arun. Thanks a lot, Arun.
Bye.
Thank you.
Ponnu sir, you can propose a formal vote of thanks.
Okay.
No, let Febin give it.
Okay, Febin sir, madam.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. First of all, many thanks to Mr. Arun. I think we couldn't move away from our screen, and slowly all family members also joined. I'm sure it's the same that happened with everybody. And it was really interactive. First time we are really trying out this model of interactive program, actually. I think it gives us more confidence. And thanks to you, sir, Arun sir, for
Thank you, Febin.
research and the questions. I'm sure I could see the enthusiasm. And thanks once again. Thanks to all the participants and thanks to all the high scorers of the program. Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you.
And it's a nice and apt format.
Yeah.
This format of the quiz It's very nice and very apt.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice.
All
and
the
very,
participants
very
can give some
nice.
feedback, 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, and thank you to all the organizing committee, Dina sir, Kumasamy sir, Sampath sir, who introduced us to Mr. Arun, Jala Taliban, the organizing, and thanks to our president, Ratna Kumar, who gives us a free hand to conduct events and experiment and ensure that, you know, the chapter's flag is always high, flying high. And special thanks to Kartik, Ravi, who is behind the technology support for all our programs, and the entire EC team, which you know, works behind the screen. And thanks to all the members of Chennai chapter and outside Chennai who have participated in this program.